Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that will ignite creativity and inspire young builders, the SainSmart Jr Woodworking Kit. We found this amazing kit online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the SainSmart Jr Woodworking Kit? This 4-in-1 STEM project set is designed specifically for kids, combining the fun of woodworking with educational value. Inside the box, you'll find everything needed to create 4 different models: a birdhouse, a helicopter, an off-road car, and a tow truck. Each project not only allows kids to express their creativity but also introduces them to the basics of woodworking and assembly. One of the standout features of this kit is its focus on safety. The design includes flat head screws and counterbores, which ensure that while your children are engaged in the woodworking process, they are doing so without compromising their safety. This thoughtful design choice means parents can relax a little, knowing their kids are using tools that are suitable for them. The versatility of this kit is another highlight. With 4 different woodworking projects included, it caters to various interests. Whether your child is fascinated by nature, vehicles, or construction, there's something here for everyone. Once assembled, the finished toys are stable and robust, meaning they can be played with right away without fear of them falling apart. Now, let's talk about the creative aspect. The SainSmart Jr kit comes with decorative stickers and even leaves room for kids to use acrylic paints to personalize their creations. This means kids aren't just building, they're also designing their own unique models. The assembly instructions are clear and straightforward, making it easy for kids to follow along with the help of an adult. This collaborative effort can be a great bonding experience for parents and children alike. So, who is this kit suitable for? Primarily, it's perfect for kids aged 6 and up. Whether your child is a budding engineer, an aspiring artist, or just someone who loves hands-on activities, they will find joy in this woodworking experience. It's also a fantastic option for classrooms or group activities, encouraging teamwork and collaboration among peers. In terms of practical use cases, this kit serves multiple purposes. It's a wonderful educational tool that can help improve logical thinking, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving skills. As children navigate the assembly of each model, they gain a sense of accomplishment with every completed project. This not only boosts their confidence but also encourages them to take on more challenging tasks in the future. Furthermore, the SainSmart Jr Woodworking Kit makes for a great gift choice. Whether it's for a birthday, Christmas, or any special occasion, this beautifully packaged kit is sure to delight kids and parents alike. It combines fun, creativity, and education into one engaging set, making it a gift that will be cherished and used for years to come. In conclusion, the SainSmart Jr Woodworking Kit is an outstanding way for kids to learn while having fun. Its safety features, variety of projects, and creative possibilities make it a must-have for any young builder. If you're looking for a way to spark creativity and develop essential skills in your child, this woodworking kit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this